Welcome to CMW Messenger. This is the first part of the tutorial. Today we learn how to create a channel and add people into that channel, so which you can send messages to. So you start by logging in. Once you're logged in, you create a new channel, give it a good name like December client. The approval number is a number which you want somebody to approve. So I'll put that number and I say save. Then I can go to bulk upload, say bulk blah blah blah. Choose that channel, December, browse a file. I have something on my desktop. I say upload. I wait. I refresh to see 6 contacts added, and that is the end of the first part of this series. You have a channel which is called December Clients, which has 6 people as seen down here. And by that, let's meet on another channel, and bye.